The news you count on. NBC2 News at 5:30.
The average time to process a foreclosure in the Sunshine State is 600 days, twice as long as the national average. A bill winding through the legislature would speed the process. NBC2's Elizabeth Billingsley is in the studio, and Elizabeth, some say it's too quick.
It would bring it down to 20 days. It's called the Fair Foreclosure Act. The bill's sponsor, Naples representative and real estate attorney Kathleen Pasadoma, says it's fair because it allows all parties with a stake in the property, like homeowners associations or unpaid contractors, to initiate foreclosure proceedings and get the real estate back on the market. Jose Lambrano lives next door to these broken windows.
Location.
But he's never seen anyone at this house in the 4 months he's lived here.
I know they're hurting one way or another because it's there. They're not making any money on it. It's just costing them. It costs everything.
The Florida Fair Foreclosure Act would expedite the foreclosure process. Boarded doors, broken windows, trashy yards. Among other things, the bill would help courts identify abandoned properties. The bill's sponsor, Naples' Kathleen Pasadomo, explains.
We shouldn't let those properties sit there and deteriorate. We need to get those cases moving.
For properties that appear to be abandoned, the bill would allow for a speedy foreclosure process after first trying to determine the status of the property, including checking with the utility company. The bill would require lenders to file all the necessary paperwork at the start of a foreclosure case.
They're to establish that they do have standing instead of pretending they did. Now they have to establish that.
Real estate attorney Kevin Jursinski supports the effort to streamline the process. He explains the borrower still has the opportunity to present a defense.
The design is to eliminate a lot of the clutter without getting rid of due process. Everyone has the right to come to court and the like.
But some consumer advocates say it speeds the process too much and leaves the borrower in an untenable position.
Having to possibly be prepared to try a case as early as 20 days after the complaint has been served.
Representative Pasadomo tells me they're busy tweaking the bill and stripping it away of aspects that drew the most opposition. The House Judiciary Committee will consider the bill tomorrow morning. So far, it's already passed the Senate's Judiciary Committee.